this is unusual for me kasi nga hindi ako sanay to have a video greeting for you kasi normally magkasama naman tayo to celebrate your birthday, but this time it's totally different kasi you're away na, and I'm happy din because you're with your husband, and alam kong matagal mo na rin naman gusto to celebrate with him, though nakapag-celebrate naman siya once with us, but now siya na yung forever na kasama mo, me, to celebrate every birthday sa buhay mo. And of course, hindi mawawalang ating pa-cake. Happy birthday, me! And we have prepared a video for you. And so here, enjoy watching!
Hi friend! Happy birthday! It's the chapter 30 of your life, and parang kailan lang, nasa umpsala pa lang tayo. Wala tayong ibang inatupag kundi mag-live lang, kumain, and everything in between. But look at us now, we have our own family. And I'm so happy for you sa lahat ng mga answered prayer mo. And wish ko lang na sana matupad whatever your heart's desire, and sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord. And that's all. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Love you!
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be.
Happy birthday, Faith! We miss you! Ninang, happy birthday!
Kayla, wish you happy birthday po. I'm at the airport, so I'm really sorry I cannot make it something special video for you. Enjoy your birthday, see you soon, okay? And just pray for my dad, and I hope you understand I cannot make the very good video for you, but I try to do something at the airport po. I not forget you, okay? Take care, be safe.
This is when tonight each other
Hi Mars! Feliz cumpleaños, mi amigas, señorita Kayla Muñoz. Charis. Happy birthday, Mars. Siguro naman pwede na kitang kantahan ng birthday. Birthday. We always here for you. Love ka namin ni J&J Kitchenomics. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Love you!
Hi, Supi! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo na maraming birthday pa ang ibigay ni God sa'yo. And of course, good health palagi. Supi, I just want to let you know na I'm so blessed that you are my friend. Tsaka pala, Supi, may gustong bumati sa'yo. Here you go!
Hi Faith, Kayla, happy birthday. Si Cortina pala ito. Hindi mo man ako na-meet in person, but I heard isa ka sa mabuting kaibigan nila ini. At sobra akong nagpapasalamat doon. Thank you and happy birthday. More and more blessings and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Supi! I love you! Mwah!
This is when the moments turn to memories.
Hi, Ate Faith. Happy birthday. Dito ko ngayon sa Glass Bridge. I hope you had a happy birthday and sana mag-visit kami here soon. Si Cisco. I miss you. Bye.
Hi Kayla, I just wanted to greet you a happiest birthday. Today is your day. Have a blast and see you soon. Both of you, see you soon. Happiest birthday.
Like these that only prove, and this is when the
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Faith! Maligayang ika-30 taong kaarawan sa'yo. Ang wish ko lang is more success and good health, and alam ko namang deserve na deserve mo lahat ng meron ka ngayon. Stay pretty and humble. Stay sexy. I miss you. I love you. See you soon.
And this is when I'm love is tied to memories. And this is when I feel inside get so clear to see. This is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when moments turn to memories. A memories.
Happy birthday, Faith!
Happy birthday, my cake.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, my sweet.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, Faith Kyla Charinet Faller Estrada Muñoz. Grabe nga ba ang pangalan mo, Kas? Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda, pinaka-sexy at pinakamabait kong pinsan sa lahat. Naway magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday at healthy buhay. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad. At lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan ni Francisco sa ibang bansa. Miss you, Kas. Love you. Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Faithy! Ano bang i-wish ko for you? Alam ko naman na natupad na yung yung wish mo na makasama si Cisco, 'di ba? Yes. Siguro na lang continue to seek the Lord. Ngayon na syempre married, na kayo, mag-asawa na kayo ni Cisco. I hope and I pray na na God will continue to be the center of your relationship. And syempre patuloy na paggagabay and pagmamahal ng Panginoon ang mapa sa inyo as an individual person and sa inyo as husband and wife, di ba? I hope na mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo, and palagi mo lang tatandaan, I know or we understand and we know na syempre ngayon na ka na, married girly, char, mag-iiba yung mga priorities and all, lalo pa pag syempre magkakaroon na kayo ng anak, ng mini Ate Faithy and mini Cisco. But always remember na nandito lang kami, na D-group, na kahit like gusto mong mag-share or gusto mong may ipag-pray kami for you, nandito lang kami palagi. So, happy birthday ulit and enjoy!
Happy birthday! Sorry, happy birthday!
Ay, sabi happy birthday! Kyla! May your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Kayla. Ngayon, 30 years old ka na. So, marami nang nangyari sa buhay mo. May sarili ka na ngayong pamilya. And laging i-bless ni Lord yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Sana ito pa rin niya. And tulungan ka niya lagi. At ganun din si Francisco. Bigyan siya ng mabuting health, malayo sa sakit at karamdaman.
birthday Kayla. Good health sa inyo ni Francisco at gumawa na kayo ng baby.
Or baby.
Yan lang.
Happy birthday, ate.
Ito, Pao.
Sana, safe kayo dyan.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate! Ingat ka kayo dyan! Amis ka na ni Abasos! Amis ka na ni Abasos! Yan!
Happy birthday, Ate Kayla. Sana masaya kayo dyan. Masaya kayo sa birthday mo. Sana maging successful pa kayo lalo ni Kuya Cisco, and God bless. Amen.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chicken!
Wish ka na ni Chicken Hand!
At ayun na nga, wala akong ibang hihilingin kundi maging masaya ka lang palagi at maging healthy ka. Pag may kailangan ka, nandito lang kami, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Dalaw ka dito minsan, 6 hours drive lang, banding naman tayo soon, ganyan. Kung kailangan mo ng kachikahan, nandito lang ako, tawag ka lang. Or magpa-appointment ka lang kasi masyadong busy yung friend mo, hirap maging artista dito sa Qatar. Basta, masaya ako kung anong meron ka dahil deserve mo yon, dahil napakabuti mong kaibigan, mapagmahal kang anak, mapagmahal kang kaibigan, sobrang buti mong anak, kaya deserve mo kung anong meron ka. We love you, Kayla. Happy birthday. Enjoyin mo yung birthday mo as a wife, first time wife. May second time? Hindi, basta ito yung first time na married ka na isi-celebrate mo yung birthday mo kasama si Sheppy. So, enjoy! We love you and we miss you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charinette. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Charinette.
Happy birthday, V. I blow this candle for you.